My name is MyLifeAsLoveline. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be making bread rolls or dinner rolls today. It's very easy. Follow the procedure carefully. Thank you. Unveil now. So this is what we have, guys. So the next step will be to dust your surface with some flour. Knead your dough for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So the next thing is to form balls. Before we form the balls, grease your pan lightly with some butter. Keep this aside. So we're going to divide this in such a way that we form 15 to 16 balls out of it. And they are supposed to be of equal proportion. Some people use scales to measure the balls, the weight of the balls, but I'm just going to estimate. So we have approximately 16 cut pieces of dough here, and we're going to be forming balls with each and then placing them in our pan. So gradually form balls like this. So this is what we have, guys. The next thing is to apply vegetable oil on your balls. Next thing, seal everything up with a thin film of paper. Proof this for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. The procedure I've taken is very easy and straightforward if you want dinner rolls in less than 2 hours. But if you want to take the longer procedure, you have to proof 2 times. So this procedure is very easy and I proof just once. So guys, we have our dinner rolls after 1 hour of them rising. So we're going to apply some melted butter on our dinner roll. So the next thing is to bake this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Make sure you preheat your oven before you bake. I always do it 10 minutes before I unveil my rolls for baking. Fresh dinner rolls out of the oven, guys. So we're going to apply our butter. Presenting to you the best dinner rolls in the whole wide world.